Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Snipping Tool and prepping what to capture. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S to summon the overlay immediately. Choose Rectangular for precise areas or Full Screen for everything. Make sure the target window is visible and in focus so you don't waste captures. Once done, look for the toast notification in the corner. Click it to open the snip in the editor. This step gets you from zero to a captured image ready for refinement. You now refine the capture inside the Snipping Tool editor. Use the pen, pencil, and highlighter to mark up areas and choose colors for contrast. The ruler helps draw straight lines, and the crop handles let you tighten composition. If you need precision, zoom in and make smaller strokes. Undo is available with Ctrl plus Z. When satisfied, save with Ctrl plus S, choosing PNG or JPG, or use the Share button to send it immediately. Make sure to name files clearly so you can find them later. Finish by confirming your export and knowing what to do if something fails. Open the saved file to verify format and quality and move it to your desired folder. If the capture overlay doesn't appear, make sure Snipping Tool notifications are enabled in settings so the editor opens. If the tool won't launch, restart the app or reboot Windows to clear temporary glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: run Windows Update occasionally. Outdated builds can break the overlay or hotkeys, so keep your system updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.